Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. Today I would like to show you how you can add a water flow overlay to your video edits in CapCut. So here you just need to add your clips or photos and then go to the overlay and then add the water flow overlay. So I got this overlay from TikTok. You can also find one by searching for water flow overlay. Add it to your clips, adjust the size, fit the size until it cover all of the clip like this. And now go to blend and select filter, so it will go like this. Now what you need to do is click on the clip, then go to animation and add the ripple animation under the in category, this one. Adjust it for 1 second, click on the check icon, and you are done. So this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.